So, guys, we are in the third match of Glitch Mob Esports Rise Tournament. This is a quarterfinal match. Teams are going to compete to come in the top 10 to qualify for the semifinals. Let's see how this goes. Couple of teams have gone towards Primos, towards 17, towards the left hand side of the map. Player number 2, the Void team, is going towards Novo right now. We've got people at Milta, we've got people at Farm. टीम नंबर 4 ने अपार्टमेंट्स एंड स्कूल का एरिया कवर कर लिया है. टीम नंबर 10 इज एट रोजॉक. टीम नंबर 6 and 21 very close to each other. Will they have a fight? बॉट शुभम, किसी ने किसी को मुक्के से मारा है. What is happening in this match? Everything is happening a bit too fast, a bit too quick. Teams have landed in close proximity, and we will definitely see a fight early on in this match. Zone eventually Mansion और लिपोवका की तरफ बनेगा. टीम नंबर 13 एंड टीम नंबर 6 की फाइट हो रही है. HT वाला टीम, HT Excalibur, Riot, Deadshot. These guys are facing team number 11. Deadshot knows where Alex is. Peek करते हुए Alex has played a bit carefully. Pochinki में immediate fights. It's a 4v4 situation. I'm not sure where the rest of Alex's squad is. Everybody is across the road, I believe. Apart from one guy, Mark Wolf, who is stuck in between Team 13. Let's see what Wolf does. Wolf has no vest, level 1 helmet, level 2 backpack and a Thompson. Very powerful gun. अगर उसके ऊपर SMG लगा दियो. Excalibur roof के ऊपर चढ़ गए हैं. Is that a wise decision in a custom match? They haven't fought each other yet, but they're going to. Excalibur knows exactly where Mark Wolf is. He knows where Kratos is. He's sitting and biding his time very quietly, waiting for them to slip up. We will come back to this fight as soon as we see somebody getting knocked. There is a pending fight which is going to happen in Yasnaya. Not anytime soon, but will happen for sure. Pusher की टीम वहाँ पे. Pusher हमने जैसे पिछले मैचेस में देखा था, they played extremely well. They've always stayed true to their name. They've pushed, they've attacked teams, and they try to get a kill or a knock from there. टीम नंबर 7 काफ़ी वाइड स्प्रेड आउट होते हुए. फेट पैंथर, अगर हम इसको स्पेक्टेट करें, द क्वाइट वेल स्प्रेड अपार्ट. आई एम नॉट श्योर इनके बाकी दो लोग किधर हैं, बट they're trying to cover as much ground and get as much stuff as possible over there at shelter. Let's go back to HT. Riot sitting where he was sitting, Wolf sitting where he was sitting. We've got Kratos at the top over there. Wolf has been knocked by Deadshot. Really good shot. Kratos is over there trying to give his friend cover. Kratos has been knocked by Excalibur. सबर का फल मीठा होता है. These guys have waited patiently for these guys to slip up. Opposite side से गोलियां पड़ते हुए Excalibur has been knocked. Really good cover from Warrior DSS. But Excalibur को revive मिल जाएगा immediately. दरवाज़ा खोल के अंदर जाना is not a good idea right now. Kratos has very quietly dropped at the back. Alex is right now trying to reach his friend. Let's switch the view to Alex. Smoke करके Ronnie is coming up from there. Ronnie is on the roof of that house. Will Kratos be able to get inside? And Kratos does. Is there a possibility for revive? Excalibur की team push करेगी. HT team, what are you going to do? Very good cover, very good revive, good teamwork. These guys have done extremely well. वॉरियर डीएसएस जा रहे थे लेकिन डेड शॉट ने उनको भी एक एम से नॉक कर दिया है. डेड शॉट क्या कर रहे हो आप, कहर मचा रहे हो. वॉरियर डीएसएस विल नॉट बी रिवाइव्ड एट ऑल. पुशर की स्क्वाड के साथ फाइट हो गया इन यासनाया टीम 19. they knocked 2 people from team 9. We have got one guy who's still knocked and one guy is finished. Only Bullet Plays and Spidey are alive. इनको हंट किया जा रहा है. टीम 9 is hot on chase. Sparky knows where Plazy is. Going back to Pochinki. Deadshot ने फाइनली वॉरियर डीएसएस को ख़त्म कर दिया है. एलेक्स को भी मार दिया है. दे पुट अप अ गुड फाइट बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वाजंट इनफ फॉर H2 टीम. एक्सकैलिबर, रॉनी, दे प्लेड अमेजिंगली वेल, वेरी वेल प्लेड. यहाँ पे टीम 16 की फाइट होते हुए नेक्स्ट इन एज वी सीन अर्लियर दीज गाइज हैव प्लेड एक्सट्रीमली वेल. टीम 7 की स्क्वाड इनके ऊपर है राइट बिलो देम. बॉम्ब्स पे बॉम्ब्स फेंके जा रहे हैं. टीम 16 इज़ ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. टीम 7 इज़ ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. If Suraj falls from here, that will not be ideal for these guys. Has gone down, big mistake, and unfortunately यहाँ पे टीम 16 next in की पूरी टीम फिनिश होते हुए टीम 7 has taken the lead over here. Brilliant game play guys. We still have team 2 SQ9 which is at Novo. Yasanaya is going to be very interesting. Bullet Plays घिरे हुए हैं 3 लोगों से I think by the pusher squad. These guys are just sitting over there. Bullet Plays is for some reason in the same spot that he was in earlier. I think he's not connected. DC हैं क्या ये? अपने फ़ोन को साइड में छोड़ के चले गए. स्पाइडी इज़ लुकिंग अराउंड वंडरिंग व्हाट हिज टीममेट इज़ डूइंग. बुलेट प्लेज he'll stay alive. अभी तो जोन भी इनके ऊपर है. सो इफ़ ही इज़ नॉट फाउंड देयर इज़ अ हाई चांस दैट ही कैन मूव आउट ऑफ हियर आफ्टर अ वाइल. टीम 4 sitting over there at school and looting. Team 6 is also near school. HT की टीम पोचिंकी को कवर करते हुए. We've got Slay का team number 5 moving in right now. We've got team 17 coming in from the zone, team 3 coming in from the zone, all the way from Georgiapul. People should start moving as soon as possible right now. Not that many squads left in this game, guys. Even though we've lost a lot of people, हमारे पास almost 80 players थे at the start of this match. Slay की टीम के साथ फाइट हो गया है बीच में by team 14 and they have taken these guys out. Slay Pranav, Slay Arman, Slay Aryan, they both have died by IS का squad. Nemesis has taken these guys out. See, this is the problem. अगर आप जोन में बाद में आ रहे हैं and if you're coming in open buggies, you are at a great risk. Do not ever do that. Try and take longer route because आप सब लोग बग्गी से सेम टाइम पे नहीं फायर कर पाएंगे. Squad number 2 quietly coming in, hoping कि यार कोई ब्रिज कैंप ना करे, कोई पीछे से धप्पा ना दे. Team 20 sitting very quietly and nicely. Team 15 sitting quietly and nicely. Nobody is doing anything as such. Team 3 अंदर आ रही है, Team 17 अंदर आ रही है, but इनकी फाइट होने के फुल चांसेस हैं यहाँ पे. Poaching team में HT ने flare drop मंगा लिया है, if I'm not mistaken. Let's spectate. Yes, that is a flare drop coming to team HT. However, risky move considering you've got people moving in right now, but having the flare guns is always an advantage. Team A, Team 14 right next to each other. Will they be taking a fight? They're right next to each other. सामने ही है. Nemesis zone के बाहर energy drinks पीते हुए bombs are being thrown at them. Nemesis had turned the car around and वो वहाँ से भाग रहे हैं. Teammate नहीं है. दोनों के दोनों people who are outside the zone have gone into the zone now. Team 8 is still stuck over there. They need to start moving in. Akku ने इनको देख लिया जाते हुए, so he knows that the coast is clear. 35 bandages के साथ 2 energy drinks, 6 energy drinks और 2 painkillers के साथ these guys will survive. Team 17 भी अभी अंदर आ रही है. Ronnie is unfortunately alone. He might end up looking at people in front of him. And unfortunately James Herindo ने थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. उनको चेस किया जा रहा है. Team 13 is rushing right now. He's avoided Team 17. Shin-chan की जो टीम है वो लोग अभी भी जोन के बाहर बैठे हुए हैं. Team 8 has come in. Team 14 is moving in. I will shift quickly to somebody who's not on a bike because the sound is too much. Yasanaya, going back to Yasanaya, are both of them alive? Bullet Blazy is alive. He is still in the same spot that he was in earlier. And unfortunately, Spidey के ऊपर अब brush हो रहा है. He knows that people are around him. Pusher Flash is close. Pusher Raka is close. This might turn out to be trouble for Spidey. But इनके पास एक गेम है. He can take these guys out quite easily. Flash ने bomb तैयार किया है. Bomb बाहर गिरा. Bomb अंदर नहीं आया. He's a bit safe right now. Flash has come in. Sparky has come in. Raka is right there. Spidey, what are you gonna do? Oh my god, that's 13 health, but still. Anna Pute, that is a very good jump. But these guys will jump behind you. Get inside. Pick up the health. Spidey full speed में वहाँ से भागते हुए. And he's healed himself. Level 2 West है, Level 3 helmet है, so that's a good thing for him. But these guys are searching. They're hot on his scent. Pusher Flash ऊपर से कूदे नीचे से Spidey. And Spidey has been knocked and finished over here by Flash. Very very well played. Very good sense of sound.
आवाज आ रही है पुशर? अबे इनसे पूछ रहा हूँ पुशर आवाज आ रही है?
वहाँ पे स्पाइडी इन लोगों
हाँ बुलेट रह गया
बात करते हुए. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी इज नाउ मूविंग इन द जोन.
सही कह रहा है. अगर जोन में बनता रह गया नहीं नहीं.
Now the zone is quite big. We've got team 17 moving in, team 8 वहाँ पे, team 2 वहाँ पर है. Everybody is trying to circumvent Yasanaya, thinking कि वहाँ पे लोग हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे बुलेट प्लेजी भाई सिर्फ बैठे हुए सेम ज़मीन पे स्टेयर करते हुए. I have no idea इनको क्या होने वाला है. Is he going to come back? Is he not going to come back? That will be very interesting to see. Zeal की टीम अंदर जाते हुए towards Yasna. Will he try and go towards the hospital? इस हॉस्पिटल पे ऑलरेडी लोग बैठे हुए हैं. Agent Venom looking around, scouting, trying to figure out if there are people over there. 19 के पास ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच चुके हैं. Venom making their way in, gonna quietly sit till the zone closes, I believe. Thankfully nobody is outside the zone at this time. पुशर की टीम ने अक्कू को डैमेज देते हुए, these guys will push. जितना इनका नाम है वैसे ही इनका काम है. And the zone is very interesting. So Team 9 still has the zone. They have the best spot in Yasna at the hospital. You can defend it from the roof, you can defend it from the ground floor. A lot of rooms जिनको आप इस्तेमाल करके चुप के बैठ सकते हैं. You can always third party people. Team 20 has to move in, 12 has to move in, 18 has to move in. Oh, it is just very difficult for somebody to do well. Pusher की दूसरी spot भी है as team number 4. Pusher Shash 8. These guys, 3 लोगों के लॉस के ऊपर Shash भी बस अभी बैठे हुए हैं. These guys decided to finally move in. Let's see how many teams are alive right now. We've got SQ9, Bo, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 teams are still alive. 7 more teams to go to confirm your spot in the semi-finals for Glitch Mob Rising Tournament. This will be amazing to see कि क्या होता है eventually. Pushes up towards the place. 17 की यहाँ पे fight हो रही है. Will we be able to catch it? Pot शुभम को ये लोग मारते हुए. These guys are just dominating the entire area. We've got Fates Alpha near team number 3. BO की team, they only have 3 people with them. And they have a lot of loot available for themselves as well. Running an AKM, level 1 best, 1 first aid, something which is very important. Fates Alpha को मारा, and they have finished him by bursting the car. Bocop, really good shot over here. Absolutely impressive. फेट के बाकी 2 लोग, एक बंदे के पास ओम है, गुड नंबर ऑफ हील्स, गुड नंबर ऑफ व्हाट डू यू कॉल painkillers and energy drinks available for him. I'm not sure what scope. He's running an 8x on the Yom. He's got a deadly weapon at his hands if he's able to spot people and shoot at them. More fights happening. Team 14 is continuously shooting people. Pusher की team पे attack हुआ. Pusher Raka has been knocked. He's being revived right now. Team number 12 has pushed in completely, shifting to YCS Kunal. YCS की team hospital के अंदर आ गई है. They know team 9 is over there. There is also team number 10 which is shooting from the opposite side of Yasinaya. There is a fight happening. Why can't I select this guy? I'll select him. Pusher Flash knows that YCS की squad is on the left hand side, but they're also pinned by squad number 8 on the opposite side. If we shift to Zeal Akku, M16A4 को single tap पे इस्तेमाल करते हुए, they're using it like a DMR, really reliable weapon for long and medium ranges both. YCS Mr. Doom ने fanboy को देख लिया. SQ9 has gone to Novo and come all the way from there, so they will definitely have good loot. ये लोग वहाँ पे thankfully safe हैं, but people will try and rush over there because there is not much cover available anywhere else. You've got Void, Zakir and Fanboy in the SQ9 team. They've got 3 cars lined up against each other just to kind of give themselves cover. There's a flare drop that has been called in front of them. This is by B Finks Matrix, team number 3. I hope nobody rushes on them. There is a rush happening right now. Team number 15 pushing in at full speed. Will they take a fight? They have stopped over here right next to them. Killer JD, Entity Shroud, Ghost Jerky, Ghost Flare taking a fight with team number 3. Killer JD sees him in the window. Will he take a shot? And he's lost him. But in fight is inevitable. It's not impossible. एक नॉक निकालते ही ये लोग अंदर पुश कर देंगे एक दूसरे पे. Team 14 shooting at team number 5. IS Cypher, IS Nemesis. Team 15 के बंदे को नॉक करते हुए Nemesis ने, and he has been finished, but the kill has been stolen from him. Very interesting. Team number 15 is fighting on both sides right now. They should stay inside, keep in cover. Finks Matrix ऊपर चढ़े हुए यहाँ पे. He has a good look and there's nobody at his back. He'll be perfectly fine over here. Pushes Shash still sitting over there. Does he know that people are there in front of him? He's outside the zone. 3 health kits, 13 bandages. He is just trying his level best to come in the top 10 right now. Shouldn't be that difficult as long as he can play a little bit safe. $15 teams still alive. Zeal Akku has knocked somebody with the Orm. We always knew that Orm will turn out to be good for him. Zeal ने I think Shash को देख लिया है from the pusher squad. Shash, you have to move from there. कहीं आपको knock मिल गया then आपको थोड़ी सी problem हो जाएगी. And Shash has unfortunately succumbed to his injuries. ईशान Uzi से इतनी दूर से मारते हुए, but I think उसके टीममेट को ने ज़्यादा डैमेज किया है. ये देखिए हमारे भाई बुलेट प्ले जोन में बैठ के कोने को देख रहे हैं, enjoying the nice damage that the zone is causing him. Lot of fights happening. Going back to team number 3, Finks Matrix. They're dominating, but they have the entire team 18 on their right hand side. 4 people all lined up, ready to take a shot at these people. Shifting to team 18 absolutely immediately. Epic abhi. I think this is the Epic squad over here. Unfortunately, Epic is fighting 2 battles at the same time. They're fighting with team number 17 and they're fighting with team number 3. HT Riot डैमेज करते हुए यासनाया की तरफ. शिफ्टिंग टू HT. Team number 7 fighting with team number... What number is this? Team number 14. If I'm not mistaken. Cypher is there in that corner. Who takes this? Killer has been knocked. He was late to draw his gun out. Cypher has finished. No, there's Panther who's still alive in the same house. They know that he's upstairs. They will throw a grenade up. Panther, now is the time that you start moving from here. Get in the car and run. There are 4 people around you. Another car approaching him. Team number 13 has a poison. Actually, Riot gets knocked by Oxy. Really good shot. 13 की दूसरी गाड़ी right left से आते हुए ये दोनों क्यों क्यों गए? This was such a big mistake. Oxy and Cypher have been knocked. Oxy की टीम IS की पूरी टीम खत्म कर दी है. XT Caliber ने बहुत अच्छा अपने टीममेट्स को कवर देते हुए. All four of them are still alive. Smoke के ऊपर स्मोक फेंकी जा रही है लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर जस्ट टू मेंटेन द गुड पोजीशन. You've got team 18, you've got team 9 pushing in right now. Team 9 को हर तरफ से पड़ रही है. They are too late to move in. Getting shot from team 12 on the right, getting shot from team 15 on the left. YCS Kunal still in the zone. He needs to start moving out. Zone का damage अभी बहुत ज़्यादा है. You will not be able to survive this for too long. YCS Kunal is the only one left from his particular squad. सिर्फ एक first aid के साथ he is hoping that he can make his way into it. He needs to move now. He takes a pusher flash. Pusher Raka सामने. And he has unfortunately let Pusher Raka saved by the width of his hair. SQ9 की टीम अभी भी वहीं पे जहाँ पे पहले थी. There is a full team 13 over here. Team number 7 13 से covered है पूरी. Panthera has done a very good job of kind of preventing these guys from pushing up on him. Or maybe Team 13 doesn't even know he's there. तो Team 13 ना आके जो इनके ऊपर पहले अटैक हो रहे थे उन लोगों को इनने कवर कर लिया था. They're sitting in the car and going away. They have no idea that Panther is up there. Oh my god, Panther, that is a very good way that you're hitting yourself. Team number 2 सामने उस वाले स्पॉट पे. Caliber, you are the only one who's going there. Do not do that. That's a big mistake. Caliber full. Caliber has been knocked. Pando has been knocked. Another guy has been knocked. This team is giving brilliant cover to each other. Caliber will die by crossfire from team number 17. You've got ST Riot who's pushing in. He's on the right hand side. Johnny is being getting shot at. ST की टीम क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ? टीम नंबर 15 पे चलते हैं. They finally come out of their hiding. Shooting people. Pusher Raka unfortunately dies. Team number 15 Entity Shroud is the only person who's standing right now and he has been killed. We've got Epic Pratham from team number 18, the only guy alive. Team 17 उसके सामने है. 2 people from team 17 and पीछे 2 people from team HT. HT has played brilliantly well. They've gone and dominated, given really good cover to each other.
Smoker.
We can hear some people on all right now. I think those are the people who've died. Let's see where this goes.
3x1 है.
They think it's 3v1, but it's actually 2v1v2.
अरे एक और स्मोक ऐड करना, मर जाएगा वो.
Shinchan.
ले अर्जुन ने ये गेम जिताया ना, तो अगले सीजन में इसको अर्क भी दूंगा मैं. मानिक भी दिखा तेरे को.
HT Ronnie Epic Pratham has been finished. Now there's HT Ronnie and HT Riot versus one single guy, Shinchan.
हाँ वही तो. उठे पेड़ के पास.
HT Riot को Shinchan ने नॉक करते हुए. Shinchan still has almost 70% of the health. And the match has ended. Shinchan has unfortunately died. Really good match. SC की team dominated throughout. They've got about 7-12 18-20 kills under their belt. HT has played very well. Tangi team has done really well as well. Second position with 12 kills. We've got the Epic team with 3 kills in third position. Entity and Ghosty squad has come in at 5 kills each. This has been an amazing match. आप देख सकते हैं Fate has come as 5th. What a match. What a brilliant match. Absolutely loved it. Well guys, sorry we weren't able to stream this particular match. We had some streaming issues. We are sorting those technicalities out. We are trying our level best to give you the best experience that you guys deserve. Hope to see you around.